the science behind freezing of instant ice cream comes from this. So imagine these are H2O molecules, and when I added table salt or sodium chloride, this separates into sodium ions and chloride ions, which decreases the freezing point or the melting point of the ice cubes, which allows the ice cubes to absorb more energy from its surroundings. Because of its lower melting point, it is easier for less energy to break the bonds between the H2O molecules and turn them into liquid form. So initially, the solid ice cubes turned into liquid water, which is the process of melting. So in melting, the solid ice cubes absorbs energy, which comes from surroundings. So in this case, the surroundings of the ice cubes are considered to be the cream mixture. So the cream mixture loses their energy and transfers it to the solid ice cubes, which then turns the solid ice cubes into liquid. So for the cream mixture, it loses energy, which causes the cream molecules to become more closely packed together and form solid. Now this is the newly formed ice cream.